What's up, guys? I'm Caden with Crypto Now or Never. Today I'm back with another update on Kaspa, as it is one of the few cryptos that is performing exceptionally well right now. Please do me a favor and hit that like and subscribe button. Help me pump that algorithm. I'd greatly appreciate it. None of this is financial advice. Let's get into it.
I have a dream, that's all I need. I'll make it happen with some work and belief. Know what I want.
All right, so in general, if you look at the crypto market, you can see the fear and greed index is at 46, which is neutral. And this is actually very good to see because we were up in that 70 to 80 region, which was greedy. And ideally, you never want to buy crypto in that range. But Bitcoin is currently trading at a price point of 61,200. Now, this is better than where we were at a couple days ago, but it's still not great. And if you just look at the top cryptos in general, Kaspa is one of the only ones that is still performing very well. It's up 24% in the last 7 days. And it's currently trading at a price point of just under 18 cents with a market cap of 4.2 billion. And then even rarer yet, if you look at the 1 month time frame, it's still up almost 30%. A lot of cryptos are down like 20 or 30%, but that just goes to show you the overall strength of Kaspa in this market. So if you guys are looking to accumulate Kaspa, I recommend using KuCoin or MEXC. I think those are the two easiest centralized exchanges to use. And then I do also want to point out in the Kaspa news section, they have an article right here that was posted 2 hours ago. 3 altcoins that could be set to list on Binance in 2024. And spoiler alert, one of those coins is Kaspa. Now, whether or not that actually happens, who knows, but that could be very bullish. But now we'll go ahead and take a look at the Kaspa X account. And they just pinned a new tweet on June 26th. Welcome to the community, Marathon DH. We're just getting started. And they are a global leader in leveraging digital asset compute to support the energy transformation. So this is a pretty good partnership. And then they reposted Kasplex on June 27th. Only 3 days to go. The excitement is building as we approach the open beta launch of KRC20 on June 30th. Don't miss this unique opportunity to be at the forefront of integrating tokenization with the fastest, decentralized, and robust security of the Kaspa network. Now, there are two sides to this that I want you to understand. The first thing is that obviously KRC20 could be extremely bullish for Kaspa. You look at Ethereum, and that is a huge reason that Ethereum is as big as they are today. It's because of their ecosystem. But I do also want to point out that oftentimes this is buy the rumor, sell the news. And there's a good chance that it'll be pretty messy in the beginning, which could turn a lot of people away from Kaspa. Not in the long term, but just in the short term. So don't be surprised if we actually dump on June 30th. I'm not saying it's guaranteed, but be prepared for all scenarios. Now, in general, both of these posts were pretty big news, but there hasn't really been anything else since my last Kaspa video. So now we'll go ahead and take a look at some macro news that could possibly impact the crypto market. Now, I'm not going to go over the presidential debate, but as you guys know, that happened last night. And then 16 hours ago, Bolivia lifts ban on Bitcoin and crypto payments, officially making it legal for financial entities. And this is obviously something that's very bullish to see. And then 18 hours ago, BlackRock says Bitcoin is a hedge against geopolitical uncertainty and monetary risk. And obviously, that's one of the biggest reasons so many people are bullish on crypto. Because again, you have to understand Bitcoin has a max supply of only 21 million. So when you have a lot of currencies out there that are getting absolutely decimated, it would make sense that they're saying this. And then on June 27th, Coinbase officially sues the SEC, FDIC, accusing federal regulators of trying to cut out the crypto industry. So it'll be interesting to see if anything actually comes of this. And then lastly, on June 27th, VanEck officially files for a spot Solana ETF. And this is what I've been saying for a long time. Once the Ethereum ETF gets approved, it's going to start a chain reaction. Because by definition, Ethereum is an altcoin. So I wouldn't be shocked if here in a couple of years we see a Kaspa ETF. Who knows? But while we're on X, you guys should come over and follow my account, at Crypto Now or Never. I post on here all the time. And then I would also like to take a moment to talk about my private Discord through Patreon. So at the current moment, I have 3 different tiers, and there are many benefits to joining my Discord. For example, you guys will get closer access to me, and we have been making some enormous gains already. I called Trump on base at a $73,000 market cap, and it ran up to over a $17 million market cap. That is over a 200x. Just to put that in perspective, if you invested $1,000, your $1,000 would be worth over $200,000. Those are absolutely life-changing gains. So if this is the kind of stuff that sounds interesting to you, I have the link right here on my YouTube homepage. We're building a very strong community. I would love to have you guys in here. Now, for the final part of this video, we'll get into some technical analysis, and this is Kaspa on the 1 hour time frame. Now, I actually did really like what I was seeing right now. However, we have now broken beneath the 21-day moving average. But I will also say if we can get a bounce off of this 50-day moving average, which is this red line, then I could be bullish again. But right now, the RSI and stochastics have both rolled over, which is not a great look. But I will say if you look at price action, we swing from a lower low to a higher low. The RSI is higher low to lower low. That is Class A bullish divergence. So usually that tells you that a local bottom has been reached. Now, I do also want to say this. I understand Kaspa has been running. However, if Bitcoin does drop, then there's a pretty good chance that Kaspa drops. So I think Bitcoin's actually a lot more important right now. And a lot of people are actually very bullish on Bitcoin right now, but I don't know as though I feel the same way. In my opinion, you could argue that we're forming some sort of a bear flag, which break down 68% of the time. In addition, price action is still trading beneath all of the moving averages. And I've been saying I will not be bullish until we get back above the 200-day, which is this golden line. Now, in Bitcoin's defense, the stochastics are extremely oversold and the RSI is starting to get pretty oversold. So there is definitely a chance that we do make another attempt. But the other issue is that you could argue we are forming an M pattern. And M patterns also break down terribly. So I want to be clear again, until we get back above the 200-day, expect more downside. But also at the end of the day, this is crypto, so be prepared for any scenario. But that's about all. Let me know down in the comments, how high do you guys think Kaspa will go this bull run? If you found this content valuable, please do me a favor and hit that like and subscribe button. Thank you guys for watching. Have a great rest of your day.